Hi guys, welcome to Dhruv Labs. In this video, what we are going to see is how to merge two columns in Excel file. So in Excel file, sometimes we want to merge two columns like first name, last name, city, pin code, something like that we need. So in that case, we need to copy paste two things in a cell that will not work. Example like if I just think like if I try to do something. So I'm just pasting it. So if I paste this like this, it will not match. So example, I'm just trying to the region and the rep. Okay, so I'm just trying to match it. So there will be option called merge and center, merge cells. So this will show the error like merging cell only keeps upper left and discard other values. So if you do like this, because there's unavailable values are there, so that's the reason it's merging like this. Okay, so let me do. So example like this, if I keep and try to merge it. Okay, the first value only merged, the other values will be removed. So in that case, what we have to do is we have to use formulas. Okay, what is the formula we have to use? This is a very simple formula, it's not a bigger formula. Okay, you just put a equal and which column you want to merge. So just first value and symbol and the second value. Okay, so you can see right now the region and rep has been filled, but you can see there is no space. Okay, so we have to insert the space. So how do we have to put the space? That space can be with a double quotes, and again we have to concateinate them and I1 and J1 between the separator. So I1 and the space and the J1, that's the formula. It's very simple formula. Okay, you can see right. So now we have to apply the formula for all. So no need to drag and apply. Okay, just you can see the black icon kind of thing. So if you go nearby this, you can see the plus mark is coming. You can see the difference. If I move, there is a bigger plus mark. If you go here, there is a small plus mark, right? Just double click it. Okay, if you double click it, it automatically apply the formula up to the where the last cell is present. That means non-empty cell is present. So if you have empty cells, then there will be a little problem will be there. So that time you have to, but still it can be applied. You have to double click that much time. Wherever the empty cell is there, it will be stopped. Okay, fine. So this is the one way. The second way is concat. Okay, that is a formula called concat. Okay, so what I'm doing is just I'm typing the formula concat. Okay, you can two formulas you can see. One is concat and concatenate. Okay, the concatenate is like the depreciate, or it's the old formula which is obsolete now. So you can use the concat. Both will behave the same way. Okay, so concat the same way. I1 and J1. Okay, so I1 comma J1. Okay, you can put. So it's not like that next by columns has to be there. Is you can put any columns. Example, if I want, I can put G1. Okay, let me put G1. Okay, I1 G1. This is region and total. So again, you can see right there is no space here. So for that, what I have to put this one is double quotes space. I have to add and I have to put comma. Okay, you can see the region total the same way. Again, the list cell selection will be there. Then I have to select that cell and make sure the plus mark is selected. Then double click. So immediately. Okay, so sometimes if you don't want the space character and you want the plus symbol, you can put like the plus and you can put. So you can see right, region total plus. Again, do the same thing. So automatically that will be selected. Okay, you see you can add any values like the plus symbol or hyphen or whatever it is. Just only thing is you have to change that. So you can change anything like this and just press enter button, so it will be changed. Next you can apply the formula to everything. So now if you see, you can apply the merge two columns in a multiple ways. One is with without formula, and one with this concatenate, and one with concat, and one with concatenate. Okay, so these three ways are there. Okay, so but if you see this, if you see the selector cell, you see only the formulas. Okay, so that means that cell value is created based on the formula. So if you don't want that formula to be displayed there, what we have to do is we have to remove the formula and we have to keep the values. So that also we can do in two ways. Okay, so the first is what you do is just simply copy it and open a notepad and paste it, and again paste it here. It's the same place. Okay, now you can see right, that is a simple one. Okay, another one is, so I just control Z. Okay, so that's the reason you see again the same formula. So this time what you can do is just right click, copy, and again the go here paste special, Okay, then you can see the paste values only. So that time you can see only the values. So in these two ways, we can remove the formulas from that cell. Okay. So now first we saw how to merge two columns. Second we saw how to remove the formulas from the merged columns. Okay. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubts on that, please ask your question in the comment section. We'll try to answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching Dhruv Labs.